Chalo. Come to next topic beta. In the friction, block on block. Keep the heading block on block. Block on block. So we have different cases beta. Let us try to see the first case in this one. Case number 1. If I keep the two blocks one above the other, something like this. Like say, this is your horizontal surface. This is your horizontal surface. On this one, we are having a block of mass 1. And on this one, there is another block of your another block. Okay. This one is say, for example, MA. And this is a mass of your block of your B. And you're applying the force on the upper block like this, capital F. And this surface is say, for example, smooth. And there is a friction between the A and as well as of your B. That is nothing but a fear mu. Okay, na?
Yes.
Isn't it? So we are keeping two blocks one above the other. We are keeping the two blocks one above the other partition, and we are applying the force on the upper block, and this total system is kept on your smooth one. Okay. If you might have been seen any time in the airport, you may be having a trolley on which we'll be keeping 5, 6, 7, 8 bags.
Yes, sir.
And even if you give a small force for that one, because of that, what do you call that one? Smoothness, the
Wheels.
total
Yes, sir.
carriage back will be moving very easily in the front direction.
Yes.
Because the down, even though there was lot amount of force present on that one, but due to the what do you call that frictionless surface on the ground,
Smooth ground.
the force
Yes.
whatever you are applying with very small amount of force, the total system is moving in this upward direction, in this forward direction. Okay. So case number
Yes.
1, what we are doing, when force is applied, when force is applied, when force is applied on upper block, on upper block, and force is applied on the upper block. Now see, can you draw the free body diagram for this one? You see, this is your mass of your A. On this one, you are applying a force of capital F. And there is another block of your B. This one is of your MB. There is no force acting on this one. Frictional force acting on this body will be in this direction, better. That is nothing but of your F. And the same amount of friction from the Newton's third law, there will be equal and opposite force on your B. This will be the normal acting on this one. That is nothing but N. And this is the weight of the body. That is nothing but MA into your G.
G.
Yes. And here there is a
Yes.
ground gravity. On this one, there is no friction. So F will be equal to 0. F will be equal to 0.
Zero. Yes.
Isn't it? Let's see your first condition. First one, if your applied force is, if capital F, whatever you are applying, is lesser than friction, is lesser than friction. How to write the friction? F is equals to mu into your N. That is equals to mu. N will be equal to how much better? MA into your G. That is MA into your G.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Because
so if it is lesser than F is equals to mu into MA into your G, then there will be no slipping. There will be no slipping. There will be no slipping. Ante kada, whatever force you are applying, it is lesser than friction. It can't break the bond between the mass A and mass B. Ona kada. So there will be no slipping of A on B. Therefore, both will be moving with what? See, when you can't break the bound, your applied force will be obviously greater than the 0, na beta?
Yes, sir.
That means the total system is moving with one common acceleration.
Yes.
Isn't it? See, when you are applying this force, friction force between MA and your MB part of relation, whatever you're getting is lesser than. That means you can't break the force bound between B and A part of relation. That means there will be no slipping of your A on your B. At that time, your applied force is greater than the force which has been exerted by the small b on the ground. On the ground, what is the force right now, beta? 0, kada? Frictional force.
Yes, sir.
So now
yes,
your applied force is greater than this one, but the total system will be moving with one common acceleration. So both will move with common acceleration. And then will move with your common acceleration. Isn't it? That is a given condition right now. isn't it? So what is that common acceleration? Can you tell me? So common acceleration is equals to, I already told you a number of times, it is your net pulling force. It is your net pulling force divided by total mass, Newton's second law. F is equals to
Yes.
M into A. A is equals to F by M. So A is equals
Yes.
to, what is the net pulling force? Ikkada capital F. Ikkada enta 0. Capital F minus 0 is F. So it is only F by total mass. Total mass means mass of your A plus mass of your B.
Mass of B.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Isn't it? So that is about the given condition. So this is when your applied force is lesser than your friction. If it is greater than, what happens, beta? Number two, if your applied force, if capital F is greater than your mu times of your M into your A into your G, then what happens? If your applied force is greater, like say నీతో 10 Newton వచ్చింది ఇది, and ఇది వచ్చేసి 1 Newton ఉంది అనుకో, small f, అప్పుడు the body can move in
Yes.
the front direction కదా,
Yes, sir. Only the
అవునా కదా?
MA body will move. Yes.
Yeah, because the friction force between mass A and mass B is how much? Small f. Like say if it is 1 Newton
Yes.
and you are applying 10 Newton, so your force is greater than this frictional force kada, so obviously MA will slip on your B,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So that point I can write here. If force is greater than friction, so I can, what do you mean by that one? I mean to say that A slips on your B. Therefore, A and B move with, A and B will move with what? Different accelerations. Will be moving with your different accelerations. And then,
Yes.
if your A is greater than this one, both of them are moving with your different accelerations. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, mass of your A, this one is of your mass of your A. You are applying the force on this one, capital F, and frictional forces on this one right now, small f. So now this is moving with one acceleration, that is nothing but acceleration of your A. Then there is your another one, this is nothing but of your block B. Here the frictional force is no doubt 0, but due to the Newton's third law, there is an equal and opposite force on this one, beta. This is nothing but of your friction F. So this block A is also moving in the front direction with acceleration of your B. వచ్చిందా? చూసుకో. Because of your mass A and mass B, there is a friction. Equal and opposite reaction is exerting, isn't it? When this body is moving in the front direction, frictional force on your B, A is how much in the backward direction. You know that friction is a relative.
Yes.
Whatever friction is exerting on your A, the same amount of a friction will be exerted on the B in the backward direction.
The front. Yes.
Newton's third law. Now B పైన ఏం ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది?
sir.
ఈ ఫోర్స్ ఉందా లేదా ఇప్పుడు?
ఉంది, sir.
ఉంది కదా, బికాస్ ఇది ఆల్రెడీ
Yes.
క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ కాబట్టి ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఒక యాక్సిలరేషన్ తో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇది ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఇది కూడా మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఇది కూడా ఎందుకు మూవ్ అవుతుంది? బికాస్ ద రిలేటివ్ మోషన్ వల్ల ఆన్ బ్లాక్ బి దెర్ ఈస్ అ ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ ఎఫ్. దెర్ ఈస్ అ ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హౌ మచ్ రైట్ నౌ యువర్ ఎఫ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ రిలేషన్, అండ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్రంట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now tell me, what is the
Yes.
acceleration of, can you tell me? Acceleration of your A is equals to this formula. Net pulling force. That means net
Yes,
pulling
sir.
force is how much? This one. Capital F
Yes, sir.
minus
Yes.
small f. So
Minus
this one is
small f.
capital F minus small f divided by mass of your A. The same way, acceleration of the B will be equal to how much, better? Acceleration of your B will be equal to your how much you see right now? This will be equal to your force applied, that is nothing but F. F kabatti mu into MA into your G divided by your mass of your B. So this will be the acceleration of your B, and this will be the acceleration of your A part of relation. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes.
Okay, na? Sure. Let's try to go for the next case in which we are trying to go for the given conditions right now. Yeah. Next one is your case number 2. Case number 2, when force is applied, force applied on bottom block, on your bottom block. Okay, na? Very good question, beta. Very good concept. You try to listen it carefully. అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకటి రెండు సార్లు అడిగి you try to make your concept clear this one. So I hope for the first concept is clear, beta. When you force applied
Yes,
on the
sir.
two blocks and above, how do we approach the problem? This is the way we are approaching. The same condition of we are taking the condition in which right now this is your horizontal surface. Okay, and this one is your block here right now, same like previous case, mass of your B, and on this one we are taking another one. This is your mass of your A. Now we are applying force on lower block, that is nothing but of your capital F. So there is a friction between them, that is nothing but of your mu, and still this is your smooth surface. ఇది వచ్చేసి స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్ అంటే ఫ్రిక్షన్ లేదు అంటే mu is equals to how much for me? 0. Okay, now see here, this small MA, when you're applying the force, no doubt it will be accelerating in the front direction, beta.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా, వాట్ ఎవర్ మే బి సిచ్యువేషన్, ఇది దీనిపైన మూవ్ అవుతుందా లేదా అనేది తర్వాత విషయం. వెన్ యూర్ అప్లయింగ్ ద ఫోర్స్, యువర్ ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ద ఫ్రిక్షన్ హియర్ కదా. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఎంత అనుకున్నాం మనం? 0 కదా.
Yes, sir. Because it's a smooth surface.
బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్. స్మూత్
Yes,
సర్ఫేస్
sir.
కాబట్టి ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్మూత్. దట్ మీన్స్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బి ఈజ్ అండ్ రైట్ నౌ వాట్? అన్ యాక్సిలరేటెడ్ ఫ్రేమ్. ఎంబి ఈజ్ రైట్ నౌ వాట్? యాక్సిలరేటెడ్ ఫ్రేమ్. Accelerated frame are also called as of what? Non-inertial frame. Are also called as of
Yes,
what?
sir.
Non-inertial frame. Non-inertial frame. So in non-inertial frame, we cannot apply what? We cannot apply Newton's laws directly. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
So we need to introduce the concept of pseudo force. The concept of pseudo force. Pseudo force చెప్పాను కదా నీకు నేను.
Yes, sir. Chapter, sir.
Okay, sure. So now what is of your MB beta? MB is an accelerating frame or also called as non-inertial frame. So we cannot apply the Newton's law directly. So we need to introduce the concept of what right now? Pseudo force at that given condition. Okay. So whenever you're doing such type of a question, what do you do is first calculate the common acceleration between them beta. First, common acceleration between A and B is ఇది A అనుకుందాం, ఇది B అనుకుందాం. A and B is ఎందుకని ఇది దీనిపైన మూవ్ అవుతుందంటే MA and NB కి ఒకటే యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Something like say for example, if you are carrying your laptop bag or maybe your school bag on your shoulders, whatever you are moving, the same force your
same
bag
book.
is also moving along with
Yes,
you.
sir.
అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
Unless and until someone is pulling your back in the backward direction, isn't it? So now
Yes, sir.
let us try to say that the total body is moving in the front direction with one common acceleration. So that common acceleration I'm taking it as of your A. So this A is equals to acceleration of your A, that is equals to acceleration of the B is equals to, again same formula. What is the net formula right now? A is
Net-
equals to your net pulling force divided by your total mass.
Total
Net
mass.
pulling force in pen emundi, only capital F on this one, divided by total mass is MA plus of your
Plus
MB.
MB.
This will be the common acceleration of the system, isn't it? When it is an accelerating frame, if the force is in the downward direction, acceleration of A or acceleration of the B will be equal to how much beta? F by MA plus of your MB. అవునా కదా? కానీ చూడు,
Yes.
this when you're applying the force on your B, but this MA may be moving in the which direction better? Because of the pseudo force, it will be trying to move in
Backwards,
the
sir.
backward direction. అవునా కదా?
Yes,
So
sir.
let us try to make an FBD for this one. This is your MA and down is right now MB. This is your MB. Okay, now you are applying the force acting on this one is capital F, and because of that one there is a friction developed here, that is nothing but of your F. So obviously equal and opposite friction will be developed on this one, that is nothing but of your F, isn't it? And here the friction is 0. As this body is acting in the front direction, you apply the pseudo force acting on this one in the backward direction. So దీని పైన ఒక pseudo force act అవుతుందో, so it is nothing but of your mass of your A into your A part. So this is your pseudo force which is acting on that part. అవునే కదా? So if this
Yes.
body is moving within the front direction with acceleration A, the same equal and opposite acceleration will act on your small MA in which direction beta?
Opposite.
Backward direction. So on
Yes.
దీనిపైన pseudo act అయిపోయింది దీనిపైన. So now see if I'm writing the cases right now for this one. Number one, if pseudo force MA into your A దీనిపైన is lesser than friction, దీనికైనా తక్కువ ఉంది అనుకో, అప్పుడు if your pseudo force is
MA.
lesser than friction, it can't break the bond between them కదా.
Yes, sir. It'll stay constant.
That means the total
One.
body will be moving with common acceleration. So if your pseudo
Yes.
force is lesser than friction, both A and B, both A and B move together, will move together with acceleration, will move together with acceleration A. So that is how much A is equals to F by MA plus of your MB. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
దాని తర్వాత అదే if it is opposite beta, I mean to say right now, if it is right now moving in the
F is
opposite,
less
like
than
say
M.
if your pseudo force is ఇది lesser than కదా, ఇప్పుడు greater than తీసుకుందాం.
Yes, sir.
If your pseudo
Yes, sir.
force
Then
MA into your A is greater than your friction,
greater than
friction, that means
Sir,
both
then
A and B,
MA will move,
both,
will fall
yeah,
backwards.
both A and B will move.
With
A and
different
B
accelerations in opposite
move with
direction.
your different accelerations.
I know.
Move with your different accelerations. అవును కదా, చూడు, if this is
Yes.
moving in the front direction right now, like say if this is your MA into your A, but it's basically mass of your A, and pseudo force acting on this one is nothing but MA into your A, and on this one there is a friction, this is F. So F is equals to mu into MA into your G, and on the lower block right now, now tell me what will be the acceleration of this one beta? ఇది ఏ direction? Who is more now? MA. అంటే acceleration of this block is in which direction? Acceleration of this
Sir,
one is in
backwards.
this direction. That is nothing but of your acceleration of your A. So what is an acceleration of
Yes.
your A? Can you tell me? Acceleration of your A is equals to acceleration of your A is
MA.
equals to acceleration of your A is equals to ఎంత నాన్న?
Sir,
ఈ
the
direction move
net
అవుతుంది,
pulling
ఆ force
force is
రాయాలి కదా.
MA.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
MA into your
MA
A minus friction. Friction is
F,
equals to
yes,
mu
sir.
into MA into G
Okay.
divided by mass. Total mass is how much for me? M into your A.
Mm.
So everywhere mass A gets cancelled. This mass A,
Yes,
this
sir.
mass A, this mass A gets cancelled. So we'll be getting acceleration of your
minus
A is equals to A minus of your mu G.
G.
Mu into G kada.
Yes, sir.
Mu into G. It is mu into G. MA everywhere is getting right. So this
Yes.
will be the acceleration of your A. Clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
the pseudo force is greater than of your F, then both A and B will be moving with different accelerations. So obviously MA is moving in the direction of pseudo force kabatti, acceleration of A is equals to force in that direction minus frictional force divided by mass A. In the
Yes.
same way, mass of your B will be equal to how much better right now? Can you tell me? Mass of your B. So this is your mass of your B. This is your mass of your B. You are applying the pseudo force acting on this one is capital F, and this is moving in this opposite direction. The input friction act out on that is nothing but a your F. So this
Sir,
is
it'll move
moving in this
forward, sir.
direction with acceleration of your B. Yes, beta?
Yes, sir. It'll move forward.
Enana?
It'll move forward, sir. I think.
Yeah, this will move in the forward direction. How do you write the equation? Can you tell me? A is acceleration of the B is equal to capital F minus small f
minus small f
divided by your
and
MB. So that is equals to capital F minus small f will be equal to how much better? Mu into MA into GA kada. This one is nothing but mu into
Okay, yes,
MA
yes, small.
into G. ఎందుకని ఈ రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఎంత ఉంది? ఇదే కదా, సేమ్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ ఆపోజిట్
Yes,
ఫోర్స్.
sir. Yes.
అంటే this friction will
Yes.
be equal to mu into N. So it is equals to mu n will be equal to how much better? Then the mass, that is nothing but ma into your g, and this one was a normal reaction, that is n. So this will be equal to your ma into your g part of relation. And then so
Yes.
divided by your mass of your b. So that was about your acceleration of your a and b part of relation. So this is your acceleration of your b. Acceleration of the b is equals to capital F minus mu m into g divided by mass of your a. Clear? అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Isn't it? I hope both the cases are clear for you right now.
Yes.
Chalo. Let us try to do one problem based on this one. Like say for example, find acceleration, find accelerations a1 comma a2 and a3 on three blocks, as shown in figure, as shown in figure. Okay, and this one are the three blocks better right now. ఇది ఒక బ్లాక్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, దీనిపైన ఇంకో బ్లాక్ ఉంది, దీనిపైన ఇంకో బ్లాక్. Okay, this is like say 7 kg, this is your 3 kg, and this one is like 2 kg. Okay, and coefficient of friction between these two blocks is given like say mu is equals to 0.2, and here there is a coefficient of friction, say mu is equals to 0.3, and this is a 7 kg and smooth surface, so here mu is equals to 0 and a frictionless surface. Okay na?
Yes.
And you are applying a force on 2 kg block like this. How much? 10 Newton apply చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, this is situation. This is situation number 1. In situation number 1, you are applying the force on your 2 kg block beta. Then what will be the acceleration of 2 kg block? What will be the acceleration of 3 kg block? And what will be the acceleration of your 7 kg block part of relation? Okay, now when you are applying the force on
Yes.
2 kg, this is moving in the front direction. So there will be friction on the 2 kg and 3 kg in which direction beta? Backward direction. అంతే కదా? So
Yes,
make
sir.
an
Yes.
FBD. Make an FBD right now like this. This one is your 2 kg, and you are applying the force on this one, capital F. And down there is your right now of 3 kg like this. So this there will be the first, sorry, దీనిపైన friction ఈ direction అయితే, so on this one friction will be in the opposite direction. So on this one there will be the friction like no, like say if this is F1, same equal and opposite friction will exert on this one. That is nothing but of your F1. Oh no, this force is how much beta? 10 Newton, and this one is how much for me? 3 kg. Antena? And this body will
Yes.
be moving in the front direction with acceleration a1. చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు acceleration ఎంత అవుతుంది? a1 is equals to 10 minus your friction F1 divided by mass of that one 2. F1 ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు? దీని weight వచ్చేసి 2g in the downward direction. The normal వచ్చేసి n in this direction. So F1 is equals to mu into your n1 అనుకుందాం. That is equals to mu of this n1. N1 is equals to how much beta? 2 into your g. So that is mu value ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు రెండింటి మధ్యలో? Between 2 kg and 3 kg, mu value is given as 0.2.
0.
So mu value is
Yes.
0.2 into 2, g value is nothing but 10. ఈ పాయింట్ ఈ 10 వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4. So acceleration a1 is equals to 10 minus 4 divided by 2. అంటే a1 is equals to how much? 10 minus 4 is how much? 6
3.
by 2. అంటే that will be equal to 3 meter per second square is
Meter
the
per second.
acceleration of your a1. Okay,
Yes.
na? Now you come for 3 kg block. Now on 3 kg block, if you are seeing right now, see on 3 kg block, what is the friction? On 3 kg block, what is the friction acting between the 3 kg part and as well part? So దీని పైన, if I'm taking the 3 kg block, already there is one friction here, right? How much it is? F1. Between these two blocks, there is another friction right now. That is nothing but how much for me or F2 అనుకుందాం like this.
Yes.
ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది
Yes.
చెప్పొచ్చు అవుతుంది F1 and this one is nothing but of your F2 part. F1 and this one is of your F2 part deflation. ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు?
Yes.
F1 is how much for me? 4 Newton.
4,
F2
sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది?
Yes.
Can you calculate the value of your F2? F2 is equals, see, the weight of this body is your now 3g in the downward direction.
3G.
2g was also acting in the downward direction. Now new normal acting on this one is nothing
New.
but like
Yes.
N2.
Sir.
So this N2 will be equal to how much better? 2g plus of your 3g. So that will be equal to
3G.
5g. That will be equal
5G.
to 50. This
Yes,
one will
sir.
be mu2 into your N2. Mu2 value ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు చూడు. So the mu2 value given between them is how much for me?
0.3.
0.3. So this one is 0.3 into N2 is
0.3.
nothing but 50. This one will get cancelled. This one is 15 Newton.
Yes, sir.
You are applied force on 3 kg is how much? 4 Newton.
Yes, sir.
And your F2 is how much? 15 Newton. Ante 3 kg and 2 kg cannot move. At the break over, the bond between 2 kg, 3 kg and 7 kg cannot be broken down because on 3 kg, how much force has been applied by the friction? Only 4 Newton.
Yes.
But
sir.
friction present between 3 kg and 7 kg is how much? Friction present between 3 kg and 7
15.
kg is how much better? We got 15. So what happens?
15.
3 kg and 7 kg cannot move. So they will be moving right now. I can write here right now. 4 Newton is lesser than of your F2. That is nothing but how much for me? So I can say that 3 kg and 7 kg. 3 kg and 7 kg move together. Antena?
Yes, sir.
They are moving together right now. So what is the common acceleration? So acceleration of 2 will be equal to acceleration of 3. That is force applied divided by total mass. That is a 3 plus 7. Friction
3 plus 7.
4 divided by 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10. Why can't 15 beta? Because 15 is a self-adjusting friction. Whatever force you are applying, the friction will also adjust to that one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Isn't it? So that is the reason we don't take 15 there. You need to take here right now 4. So it is 4 by 10. That is nothing but equal to 0.4 meter per second square. So acceleration of your A2 is equals to your A3 is equals to how much for me? 0.4 meter per second square is your acceleration. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. What do you do is you do the same problem by taking the forces right now. The second case, what you do is we'll be trying to draw the same condition. And here there is your 7 kg block. And this one is your 3 kg block. And here on this one is your 2 kg block. Now we are applying the force. Again, same condition, beta. Here mu value is equals to your 0. Mu value is equals to 0. And here the coefficient of friction is mu is equals to 0.2. Here the coefficient of friction is equals to mu is equals to 0.3. Here the frictional force is equals to 0. Now you apply the force on 3 kg block like this. This force F is equals to how much for me? This F is equals to 10 Newton. You apply on the this one. At that time, what we need to do? 3 kg is an accelerating frame, Gada. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That means 2 kg is being
Sir.
kept on an inertial frame, non-inertial frame, sorry. So pseudo force will act on your 2 kg, isn't it? So when 2 kg on 3 kg, we are applying the force. See what is the frictional force acting on this one. This is your 2 kg and this is your 3 kg. So when you are applying on 3 kg, force of your F is equals to how much right now, beta? 10 Newton. F is equals to 10 Newton right now. So frictional force will be acting on this one. So this is your frictional force. And దీనిపైన కూడా ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అవునా కదా? ఈ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? 4 Newton. Now apply the pseudo force. What will be the pseudo force acting on this body, beta? The pseudo force will be equal to how much, beta? Mass into acceleration. అవునా కదా? So this will be equal to mass. And this is your pseudo force. I told you whenever you are trying to do the pseudo force concept, that means on accelerating frame questions, what we did, the first one, you see right now here, we first calculated the common acceleration. So
Yes,
first
sir.
you try to calculate the common acceleration even for this case. A is equals to common acceleration will be A is equals to how much, beta? A is equals to total force by total mass. That is M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is
12,
nothing but 10
Yes.
by this one will be equal to how much for me? 2 plus 3 plus 7. That will be equal to 10 by 12.
12.
And that will be equal to how much for me? 5 by 6. And this
5
will
by
be mass will be equal to your how much for me? This will be equal to your 2 into your 5 by 6. And ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు ఇది?
Yes.
5 by 3. This is
3
5 by 3 newtons. This is the amount of force which you are acting on that one,
force. Yes, sir.
isn't it? That means your pseudo force right now 4 Newton and this one is 5 by 6. Which is greater, beta? Your
Sir, 4
frictional force
Newton.
is greater, kada?
Yes, sir, 4 Newton.
That means it can't break the bond between 2 kg and 3 kg,
They'll move together, sir.
isn't it? Even down what we are writing right now, your frictional force will be equal, lesser than of your what right now for me? Applied force,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So there will be no slipping right now because on 7 kg, there is no friction. So the total body is moving right now. Your applied force is lesser than 15. So that means there is no slipping. There is no slipping. That means the total body is moving with what acceleration, beta? Common acceleration. The total body, the total system is moving with common acceleration. Is moving with your common acceleration. What is that common acceleration? A is equals to acceleration of A is equals to acceleration of B is equals to how much, beta? F by your total mass. That is nothing but 12. That is nothing but 10 by 12. So acceleration of A or acceleration of the B or acceleration of your C will be equal to how much, beta? 5 by 6 meter per second square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is your A anukundaam. This is your B and this is your C.
See.
Why? Because between 3 kg and 7 kg, we already calculated. What is the friction we got, beta, there? 15 Newton.
15 Newton.
Isn't it? And your applied force acting on this one is how much? Only 10 Newton. Na? So
Yes, sir.
you can't break the bond
it won't
between
move.
this 7 kg and as well as of your, this friction is how
3
much we are
kg.
getting right now here? 15.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And on this one is also 15 Newton. But on ground, the friction is how much for me? 0. So your applied force is greater than this one, Kapati. 3 kg and 7 kg will be moving with one common acceleration, and 2 kg cannot also break the bond between 2 and 3. So total system is moving with your one common acceleration. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you are clear with our block and block problems. Now you can take your college material problems and you can do the problems related to your block and block. Have you done the chain and chain problems, beta? Okay, chain problem చెప్పాను కాన్సెప్ట్ వేరియబుల్ మాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి. హ్యాంగింగ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ది బాడీ, వన్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ ద
Yes, sir.
టేబుల్,
Yes, sir.
కండిషన్ అది కూడా
Yes, sir.
ఒకసారి
Yes,
గో
sir.
త్రూ చేశాను టుడే సెషన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ క్లాస్. ఇస్n't it? దీనిలో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే యు జస్ట్
Okay.
లెట్ మీ నో బెటర్, ఐ విల్ హెల్ప్ యు అవుట్.
Yes.
ఏం డౌట్స్ లేవా?
No, sir.
పక్కా?
Yes, sir.
నీకు వర్క్ బుక్ ఇస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆర్ యు డూయింగ్ దట్ వర్క్ బుక్ బెటర్?
Yes, sir.
సెపరేట్ గా థిన్ వర్క్ బుక్ ఇస్తారు కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, ఈ రోజు బ్లాక్ ఆన్ బ్లాక్ దానిపైన హెడ్డింగ్ ఉంటది. First, try to complete your college material, all the problems on block and block. It is very good conceptual conditions given in there. So try to read the complete theory of that one and try to do the problems related to the block and block better. It is very important area. Generally, the students will not get answers in the first attempt. So please try to practice as number of problems as you can. Okay, na?
Okay.
And be a little bit careful about the second problem which I told you, the second concept. When you are applying the forces on 3 kg, the same way you can take on 7 kg and try to apply the concept and try to do the problem related to that one. Okay, na?
Yes.
So one more cycling conditions కూడా ఒకటి ఉంది నాన్న, అది కూడా చెప్పేస్తాను. ఓపెన్ అయిపోతుంది మన పేజ్. సర్క్యులర్ మోషన్ అయిపోయింది కదా నీకు?
Yes.
ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ పార్ట్. ఓకే, చలో. Direction of friction. Direction of friction on tires of a cycle, bicycle anko. So we are talking about your friction on tires of your friction. Chudu, if this is your bicycle better, okay, something else. There is no pedaling, the first condition. No pedaling. That means you're not pedaling it. No pedaling. Okay, something. If there is no pedaling, direction of friction on both